Are we live? I think we're live. I just did a bunch of updates to my system, so I just want to check the microphone is working. I think we're live. Yeah, there we go. Definitely working. It's like it takes forever. There we go. Yeah, we got a login page. We got a reset password PHP file, which takes a post of the username, and I guess it resets the password. Now, whoa, what are these ports? 514? A shell? Netkit? What the fuck is Netkit? What's Netkit? Networking experiments. Router switches. Okay, so it's basically for creating virtual network devices. Kind of like simulations, I guess. Okay. Right, so I'm gonna start with just checking here what happens. Okay, so it says password reset successfully. You joking. You joking. Really? Who sends the response with a new password? Okay. I got a log file, off log. Oh my gosh. Okay. etc pasty. Invalid file path. What if we do this? Invalid file path. What if I do this? Okay. Does syslog show anything? They both show as empty. If I do dashboards, PHP, will that work? No. Log contents, invalid file path. Var log. Bad request. Invalid file path. Var log. Okay, I think I'm gonna fuzz this. Just because I have no idea why it's not working. Like, not even the two options here are returning anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up here and password is this. And then we go back to Burp Suite and send this to intruder. Inside intruder, the syslog, we gotta fuzz that with not web. What would be a good word list? You know what? Subdomains might be a good one. Or usernames. Nah, usernames, nah. Fuzzing, there we go. Fuzzing. I need something like file paths or something. OS names mutated. Attacks, Unix attacks. Could that be one? We'll see. Ooh, that's SQL injection. That's a lot of weird shit. Ah, there we go. There's some paths there. Nice. Okay. Yeah, let's run the attack. I don't know if I have to do anything else. Guess not. And then we probably want to filter by length. $500 internal error when we send the null byte. Interesting. Right, let me stop the attack. And let's just send here whatever. Hmm. Okay. See, which ports do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is it using? It's admin. How many parameters are in the response body of the password reset request? Do I still have that? 1, 2, 3. Right, so this is the part where I'm stuck in. And the question is, what is the parameter? So it's file, full path of the log file that can be read from the admin dashboard and includes records of HTTP requests made by users. Ah, that would be... You see, this is why I should have done better fuzzing. That would be var log... Is it Apache? Yeah, it's Apache. So Apache 2... Something like this? Okay. It's either this. Okay, but where's the contents though? There we go. You know, I should have done... Here's what I should have done. Let me just stop this attack. And remove this. Clear. Load. We need a list of all the possible directories in Linux. That's what we need. There we go, this is it. Perfect, this is perfect. So this list would be perfect. Now if we filter out the 400s. Eventually would have found something. let's have a look at what we got here. Close that up. Close without saving. Okay, so we got I don't think this is important. This is my own request. Yeah, this is my own request. Oh, wait. Yeah, we can do remote code execution, right? Yes. So if I do here PHP echo hello world, better yet, subscribe. And then I do that, and now if I refresh this, I should have a subscribe somewhere, right? Let me just copy it all. Did I close the editor? We got the PHP code here. It might be more tricky than I thought. Injecting PHP into LFI. I saw it somewhere. Reverse shell via auth log file. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, but this reads PHP files. Wait, what? That's returning 400? Oh, the length probably is different. Huh, strange. $200, yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's probably not gonna work though. On the user agent, really? Does that work? I don't think that's the intended path, but we can try that. We can definitely try that. Let me just set up a a shell. Yeah, so maybe it's the user agent, maybe? Hmm. Yeah, the user agent was not a good idea. What if we put quotes? Hmm. Interesting. Anyway. Gotta be the user agent. What user? Right. Right, I guess I'm gonna fuzz. Maybe it has nothing to do with PHP. But that would be weird, right? Like, do I just run this? And there. Internal error. Internal error. Wait, what? Hmm. So maybe I just need to SSH. Okay, so I need to use base 64. Pass through. And then put the base 64 in there. Is it because it's root and I'm not? No. Remote username contains valid characters. What if we do SSH without specifying the username? Yeah, it's gonna try with my own username. Oh, this is annoying, man. There we go. Can't paste. Why can I not paste? No, I'm not typing the whole base 64, that's stupid. Oh my god, bro. Can't even paste on this shit. Who the fuck made this? Fuck you. But what is the user? Where is the user agent then? It's gotta be the user agent. It's gotta be the user agent. Well, looks like I'm gonna be checking the fucking write-up again. Fucking sucks. To not be able to do this shit without checking the write-up. Nothing. Yeah, it's not reading it as PHP. That's the problem. So I don't know what the fuck am I supposed to do with the user agents. I really don't know. Wait, is this the answer? Sad M? Oh. Okay, let's get a hint. Using the user agent header, poison the access.log file with PHP code, done that, to get the remote code execution when the file is included. Didn't I do that? Using the user agent header, poison the access.log with file with PHP code to get remote code execution. Right. PHP code. Right. Okay. So something like this, where we read, say, etc pass d, and we print the outputs. Let's try that. Now it looks like it's empty. Raw. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Now it's getting 500 internal error. Maybe we can't read files from the command execution. Maybe we just gotta do the PHP shell, but I thought that's exactly what I've been doing. At least that's what I feel like I've been doing, right? Yeah, it's not gonna work. Still getting internal error. No shell. Oh shit. Unexpected token, blah blah blah.
I see. Unexpected quotes. Leclerc. Leclerc. What now? Do I still like? Do I just wait for it to? See. Okay, so maybe. That's probably something like. Something like this. I don't know. I don't know, my friend. Is that gonna work? No errors. No shell. No errors, but also no shell. So I don't know, man. Man, I don't know, man. User agents.
I don't know what to do, guys. I feel like maybe, just maybe, we use base 64. Hang on. What? So what if we do this? It's not gonna work, is it? No, it does say PHP code, so that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Unexpected token. I really don't want to check the write-off. I really don't. But then what when I do this doesn't work? Just tell me, why did it not work? Fuck it. We checking the write-up. Maybe I'll try one more time. I'll try this fucking bullshit, this pass-through bullshit again. And yeah, we'll try again. Try again. 337. So user agent, there you go, little fucker. We got the user agent. We got that access.log. Bad request. Okay, I don't care that it's a bad request. Now we read log. Also a bad request. Why? Shit. Bad request. Maybe the quotes? Is it the quotes? There we go. It was the quotes, guys. You didn't like the quotes. Now we need to send varlog Apache to access.log. Right. There it is. Error.log. I think I know what's happening. I think the PHP code is not injecting. So injecting PHP code via LFI. Because yeah, that's not working here. It's not that simple. Either that or there's no netcat installed on the machine. Does that exist on all the machines? Yeah, I guess so. No. There we go. But that doesn't work. I don't know why. Do I have to put quotes here? See, it's putting a slash behind my quotes. You see what I mean? There's some sort of protection against it. Okay, so let me see. Injecting PHP code via user agents. So we got expect input PHP filter data zip blah blah. Expect ls. Let me try that. No. No, that's not it. No. PHP filter. Wait a minute. Am I supposed to put it down here? Valid file path. What if I put it before the file path? No, still valid file path. What if I put it as another one? No, this makes no sense. Yeah. You're supposed to pass it through. The PHP code goes into the user agents. But there has to be a magic way of doing this. Okay, I give up. Write up. I'm sure it's something really fucking simple that I couldn't think of because I'm stupid. Var log syslog. Yeah. Var log apache 2 access log. That's what I fucking did. Remove temp, make FIFO. Yeah, a bunch of fucking bullshit that I was not gonna guess. Contents of access.log file are returned. User agent for request is also saved in the access.log file, so we can attempt to perform log poisoning attack and poison access.log with a craft payload. First, we need to poison the log by sending a crafted HTTP request with our payload. In this case, a reverse shell. Right, so it sends the PHP code, right? Makes sense. We need to send another request which includes the poisoned access.log file. Why does it need to send two requests? So wait. Let me get this straight. I had to
put the PHP code. Let me close all this shit. And then add to request the var log apache to access.log. Then what? Then I get shell? No, don't have shell. I don't think I was doing anything wrong. I think, right? It probably just doesn't have. Okay, let's try doing this instead, okay? So let's try sending a request like that. Yeah, sending a request like that. What the fuck is going on? Why is it hanging? I don't have shell. And then let's read the file. I need my user agent back. Document expired. Fuck do you mean? Nope. 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 Should I try again? Oh wait, that's not my IP. It's not my IP. Okay, I need to redo this shit. Maybe I should just use burp suite. Yeah. So user agent here. No, what happened to it? Oh my god, bro. Where's a repeater? There we go. Again, that's not my IP. That's my IP. Alright, send that request. It says bad request. What did it say bad request? There we go. Okay, 500 internal error. Why? I don't know why. Anyway, let me see what it says here. It says 200. No, wait. It says 200. Okay. We'll try again then. We'll try again. Where's the last request I made? Was it this? Yeah. Yeah, send to repeater. Go to repeater. And where's the file? Where the fuck is the file? That can't be it. Post. Send to repeater. Username and password? What do you mean username and password? Are we not logged in? Bro, how the fuck do I clean this up? Man, fuck my life. That's a get. This is a post. Peter. There we go. Now here, var log access. No, Apache to access.log. Here we put the PHP code. We grab it from the write-up because our PHP code was not working. Paste it here so it's all in one line. Now I need my IP address. One 337. Send a request, and it's 500. Why is it 500? What is the difference between what I'm doing? Oh, hang on. Var log, syslog. This whole time I think I was sending it to the wrong path. Oh my god, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. But why would that still not work? I don't get it. Right. And then we gotta read var log bash to access.log. Right. We still don't get shell. Why are we not getting shell? Not getting shell. Why? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing wrong. Unless... Let me copy this so I don't lose it. Okay, now paste. Now send. Okay. Now go here. No, close that. Close that. Put that as it was. Send. There we go. We got shell. I think it was the encoding. This encoding right here. Yeah, encoding can fuck you up, I guess. Anyway, close the write-up. Let's try to do the rest of the machine without checking the write-up. Local. Wait, what user is the web application running as on reset? Fuck does that even mean? It's not Saddam, it's not local. What do you mean? What does that question even mean? Oh. WWADM data? Yeah, we need to upgrade the shell. And to upgrade the shell, we can use Python. We can use this, I guess. Okay, there we go. Right. Should we be able to get the flag for the user? Not so easy. What is the name of the user who can log in using our services to the machine without a password? The name of the user. Is it local? Saddam. Using our services. What's our services? Tmux. Oh, I get where this is going. Tmux, help. How do I resume a shell? Is it dash L? No. Terminal is not super clear. I don't know what the password is, but yeah, Tmux, hang on. I think there's a way. Tmux resume session command. Right, so it's Tmux ls. What? Tmux attach -d -t session ID. What if I wanna no sessions? What if I run the same command? $33. Tmux A-T3. No server running on temp. I'm confused. I'm gonna ask Gemini. What does this command mean? Invokes detached. How can I attach to it? So Tmux attach session -t as session. No sessions. 1190. 1190. Gemini. How can I attach to this Tmux? Oh my god. It's a CTF, it's okay. Nah, of course. Gemini. It's a CTF from HackTheBox. Does not have permission to view or access TeamX server sockets belonging to. Yeah, but I am in the group, so it should work, right? Ah, right. So I need to specify the folder here, which hang on, I gotta. There we go. So tmux-s. Oh, I need the socket name as well. Okay. So tmux-s temp tmux33 slash session attached. Fuck. Man, this fucking this sucks. Is it default? Write up again. We checking the write up. We not fucking good enough for this shit, bro. And it's an easy machine. Imagine a fucking hard machine. Bro, I'm never getting to that level. Like, what the fuck? Alright, Tmux, bro. Host equiv. Okay. Wait, what? What? What was the Tmux about then? Why did it ask me questions about the Tmux? So I gotta create a user on my computer. So okay. How does that even work? Alright, so okay, I get it. So sudo user add. I gotta remove this user after. Okay, we don't need to put a password, right? I'll put a password. Susetm, and then our login. Interesting. That actually worked. And I guess okay, we don't know the password. We can log in without a password, but we don't. Yeah, okay. So now, if I do what I was trying to do before, which was this, it works. Tmux attached. What is this? Is this the password? Did he use AI? Let's see. No, that can't be the. That's my password, right? Yeah. Can I do sudo C? No. Okay, so what can we do? We'll try to get root without the write up. Why did the music stop? Oh, hang on. So, question was, what is the name of the bash shell script name that Saddam can edit as any user? It's probably this. Without the path. There we go. Sudo nano. What can we do here? We can copy. I'll put it up here. We can copy bin bash to temp bash chmod plus sx, I think. Now we wait. Is it gonna get run by a cron? Ha! No way! Yo! That's crazy. What? Oh. That's unusual. Oh, we just got root via the nano editor. I like nano. Most people prefer Vim, or is it Vim or VI? Can't remember. Oh man, the root was fun. But I don't think that's how I was meant to get root though. Let me check the write-up. Is that how I was meant to get root? Yeah, it was. Control R, Control X, and then you can do the yeah. This is from the website. Cool. Well, I'll see you guys on the next live stream. I don't think I have enough neurons to do another machine today. I'm pretty cooked. See you guys on the next one.